It's recording.
Yep,
All right.
it's recorded.
All right.
Kamron driving a big monster truck.
Yep. Ford F250. That's the first time. That's my first time driving it.
How's it feel, Kamron?
Yeah, it feels good.
Yeah.
That feels good.
Sit up high, huh?
Yeah, I sit on high. Well, I could go around there too.
Yeah. Stay in the parking lot.
All right. This is fun.
Remember, it's a truck.
Yep, I know it's a truck. I can turn circles.
Can't whip it like a car.
Yeah, I know. It's fine, man. This is fun.
We'll stop up there.
All right.
Kamron finally got to drive.
Yeah, finally.
F250.
Yeah, F250 finally.
How you feel?